A fire at a Ukrainian. Oh, this one don't even worry about the invasion, conflict. Worry about the obliteration of all of Europe, because the biggest nuclear power plant in Europe was on fire yesterday.
In Ukraine or in?
It's in the Ukraine. And I'm not talking about Chernobyl. Yeah, because of a bomb. And people are like, holy cow, you're so irresponsible. You're going to wipe us all. 10x the damage of Chernobyl. This would reach well beyond Ukraine's borders if this thing blew. All right. Or had a meltdown or whatever. Now, they saw it on fire and they said, and everybody said, you're dumb. Like, what? So who?
Yeah, no.
Nobody, right? This is.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Could be a massive catastrophe. Russian forces attacked and subsequently seized control of a massive nuclear power plant in Ukraine early Friday. A fire at the site caused by a projectile, there's a video of it, was extinguished amid warnings from officials. Yeah, it's not going to melt down right now. Now, the thing about these nuclear power plants, it's very fortified, the actual reactor.
Okay.
It would be a wall inside of a wall.
Right.
And
but
you don't want bombs.
That'll do it.
Bomb.
That might do it.
This is the clip. Mo explains bombs.
He goes, bombs.
Yeah, it was like bombs. They destroy things. Okay, so they put out the fire, but they were saying, hey, if they're capable of doing this, and if we continue to battle over the control of this particular nuclear facility, and something else gets damaged, maybe the reactor itself doesn't get penetrated, but there's other things that can happen, like if the cooling gets turned off, like in Fukushima. If you ain't got the cooling on the nuclear reactor, you know what's going on, right, Mo?
No, please elaborate.
We get a meltdown.
And then?
Disaster. Complete destruction, right? From the inside out. From the inside out.
Is it the same effect as if it blew up?
It might. It's more. It might be more gradual, like it was in Japan.
Right.
But eventually, yes, all that radioactive material
It has to go somewhere.
is leaking out into, and you don't clean this stuff up. Like, you ruin entire territories for
hundreds of thousands.
You
of years.
you would evacuate Chernobyl. They evacuated 350,000 people to never come back.
Yeah.
Like,
I know.
So 10x. You're talking about millions of people to never set foot.
But yeah.
It is a different level of destruction with the power plant. So terrifying stuff. I don't think this is not helping anyone's cause to be nilly-willy around the power plants. The rockets and such are one thing, but you leave these ones off the list. Mo, you leave those ones off the list.
I'll do my best.
Okay?
Yeah.